AMSOIL was founded on innovation, beginning with our introduction of the world's first API-qualified synthetic motor oil. By ignoring commonly accepted limitations and refusing to stop short of success, we set a new benchmark for lubricant performance. These same principles continue to guide our product development, resulting in 0W-40 Signature Series synthetic motor oil. Signature Series is not only the best oil we have ever made, it's also better than any competitor oil we have tested. Some may claim that Signature Series is over-engineered. At AMSOIL, we are devoted to making the world's best motor oil. It's not for everyone. It's for those who want the absolute best engine protection, and it delivers. 0W-40 Signature Series synthetic motor oil develops a strong fluid film that keeps metal surfaces separated. Its robust anti-wear additives further reduce wear in metal-to-metal contact regions for maximum engine life. The Sequence IVA engine test, which must be passed to meet the API SN Plus specification, simulates extended periods of stop-and-go driving. For 100 hours, the test engine cycles between 50 minutes of idling and 10 minutes of elevated RPM, conditions that encourage engine wear. The camshaft is then measured for wear in 84 locations and an average score is determined. We used Signature Series to further increase the severity of the test. AMSOIL Signature Series synthetic motor oil provided 75% more engine protection against horsepower loss and wear than required by the industry standard, extending the life of vital components like pistons and cams. We armed Signature Series with an advanced detergent system that protects against harmful deposits and low-speed pre-ignition or LSPI. Most new engines feature gasoline direct injection GDI, often combined with a turbocharger to boost power and improve fuel economy. These new technologies, when combined with a poorly formulated motor oil, promote LSPI and threaten engine operation. LSPI is the spontaneous ignition of the fuel-air mixture prior to spark-triggered ignition. It occurs in today's advanced engines and is much more destructive than typical pre-ignition. A properly formulated motor oil is critical for protecting your engine. Our unique synthetic formulation is inherently stable to resist oxidation and neutralize acids. AMSOIL Signature Series motor oil provides outstanding protection against deposits common to high-temperature engine environments. The tremendous heat and stress turbos create can cause some oils to break down and form harmful bearing deposits through a process known as turbo coking. Over time, turbos can suffer reduced performance or fail altogether. AMSOIL Signature Series synthetic motor oil has 50% more detergents to help keep oil passages clean and promote oil circulation. Engine failures due to sludge are often caused by a plugged oil pickup tube screen. The motor is effectively starved of oil. The Sequence VG engine test measures an oil's ability to prevent sludge. During the test, a Ford 4.6-liter engine is subjected to sludge-inducing conditions for 216 hours. The industry standard allows for 10% blockage before the motor oil fails the test. Signature Series produced a screen virtually free from sludge. Its detergent and dispersant additives are so effective, Signature Series provides 90% better protection against sludge. AMSOIL 0W-40 Signature Series synthetic motor oil provides reserve protection, allowing you to go longer between oil changes if you choose, up to 25,000 miles, 700 hours of operation, or 1 year, whichever comes first. Our unique synthetic formulation and long-drain additive system are inherently stable to resist oxidation and neutralize acids over longer periods. Signature Series is designed to deliver outstanding engine protection, cleanliness, and performance over extended drain intervals, guaranteed. It provides peace of mind so you can fit oil changes into your schedule. AMSOIL preferred customers can save up to 25% on AMSOIL products. Click the link in the description below to learn more about AMSOIL Signature Series, 0W-40 100% synthetic motor oil, and be sure to request a free AMSOIL catalog.